Alright, recording the sewer line here at 8605 30th Avenue Southwest. Date is January 18th, 2021. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City mainline sewer. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the sewer line. Bob Oates has done a liner project here to line all of the 4-inch section of the sewer out to the 6-inch diameter section near the side that starts near the sidewalk. So coming back from the main, coming into original 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Right back into our 4-inch diameter liner. So this is where it goes from 4-inch diameter to 6-inch diameter. So that's where the liner ended. Coming back from that point. This is all new 4-inch diameter, new flow cure in place pipe liner. And then we come back into the cast iron pipe. See on the right side where we lipped that liner one right into the cast iron just as planned, so it looks really good, nice and seamless there. You see where we allowed that tie-in to remain, coming in there from the pump and coming up out of the cast iron ABS plastic. And that's the end of the video.